All right, so if I'm looking at this particular problem, I'm using molecules, okay? So I'm going to go back and I want to look at this mole map. So molecules or particles is this right here, okay? I can be molecules, I can be formula units, or I can be atoms, all right? So my conversion is Avogadro's number. So I'm going to go back and let's get to this problem here, okay? It says how many molecules are in 75 grams of water. So remember, if I'm going into moles, I divide. If I'm coming out of moles, I multiply. All right, so the first thing is I'm going to look at, I'm going to write down what I know. So 75 grams of water. All right, I got to get to moles. I can't just go straight into molecules. So 1 mole equals 18 grams of water. Now just remember, this right here is the molar mass. That's where that number comes from. All right. And then I'm in molecules. I want to get to molecules, so I'm going to multiply by 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd over 1 mole. So notice that grams go away, moles go away, and I'm left with molecules. So when you put this in the calculator, you've got 75 times, or divided by 18 times 6.02 to the 23rd, which is going to give me 2.5 times 10 to the 24th, and that's molecules. On your calculator, you're going to see like E24. That E represents this 10, okay? All right, let's look at this next one. I have 3.5 times 10 to the 24th formula units of calcium hydroxide. How many liters is that? So the first thing I'm going to do is write down what I know. So 3.5 times 10 to the 24th. And that is, I'm going to put formula units. Okay. Now, what I know is that 1 mole equals 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd formula units. I want to get to liters. The conversion factor for liters is always 22.4. All right. So cross out. Moles are gone, formula units are gone, and then multiply 3.5 times 10 to the 24th divided by 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd times, yes. So when you put this in the calculator, times 22.4, you should get 130.23 liters of calcium hydroxide. Okay? All right, let's look at this one. How many molecules are in 159 grams? Oh, let me go back to this one. Notice that I did not have to use the molar mass because, one, I was converting to moles, and then I was converting to liters. So there are going to be some times where you don't have to figure out the molar mass. This one is not one of them because, one, it says how many molecules are in 159 grams. So let's start with what I'm given, 159 grams of silver nitrate. All right, to get out of grams, I got to do 1 mole over the molar mass. So silver is 107.8 plus 14 plus 16 times 3. So this is 169.8 grams. Notice grams are gone, and I'm trying to get to molecules, which is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd over 1 mole. Moles are gone. So now multiply it all out. 159 divided by 169.8 times Avogadro's number is going to give me 5.63 molecules. Okay? All right, so here's the last one. How many liters are in 7.03 times 10 to the 22 formula units. So write down what you're given. All right. You are in formula units. So to get out of formula units, 1 mole equals 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd formula units. You want to get to liters. So multiply by 22.4. Okay. Moles are gone. Formula units are gone. Put it in your calculator. 7.02, 10 to the 23rd, divided by 6.02 to the 23rd, times 22.4 is going to give me 26.12 liters of N2. Once again, with this one, I didn't need to do molar mass. So here's the key to all of these. You've got to know where you are. If you're coming into moles, you divide, okay? If you're going out of moles, you multiply. This is my particles, so this is molecules, all that stuff. 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd is my conversion. This is volume over here, so 22.4. And then this over here is mass, so I have to divide by the molar mass. Okay? And that's how you convert.